This is crazy.
So this morning we're headed to the bamboo train. Never been to it, but it sounds awesome. So we made our trip here, now we're about to head back. The funny thing about this is it's a one-way. There's only one track, so if you meet someone on the track, you have to take the whole thing off, let the people go, and then put it all back on again. It's not the most ideal situation, but it works. They were going and we were coming back and we stopped to help put it on. It's over. Man, what a rush. That was crazy. It's pretty intense though. My butt hurts a lot. It's not very important. There is a ton of bats up there. I don't know if you can see him that well. That's crazy! Batman! And right over here, oh my gosh. Can't see it, but it's crazy. ran into a slight problem. Tire just kind of exploded right next to us, so gotta fix it and then we're gonna go.
Okay, so here is a perfect example of things not translating from Khmer to English. Bad foreign language school.
This next stop, we stopped at a grape vineyard. They have grapes here. Lots and lots of grapes.